How to easily compare items on government e-marketplace. Method 1. Understand the buying mode. For items up to certain threshold, buyers can directly purchase. For transactions within a higher range, buyers need to compare at least 3 sellers and select the lowest option. For transactions above a certain threshold, competitive bidding or reverse auctions are conducted to ensure the best price discovery. Method 2. Utilizing GeM's comparison features. Search for GeM portal in the web and log in using your buyer credentials to access the platform. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type in the product you want. Then navigate through the categories to find your desired product or services. Once you have searched, you'll see a filter section on the left-hand side. Go for a product specification with gold and silver. Golden parameters marked in yellow. These are critical specifications that significantly impact the technical aspects and potentially the cost of the product. Silver parameters marked in gray. These are market search filters and generally don't impact the L1 criteria directly. As you browse the search results, you'll typically see an option to compare products. Select at least 3 relevant products from different OEMs or service providers for a comprehensive comparison.